Hello everyone. My name is Teacher Atia. So I will continue on lesson 4 of CodeByte 2.4 on adding special effect to your cartoon. So in the final lesson, we will make our cartoon more exciting by adding sounds, music, and animation. Sounds interesting, right? Let's begin. So first of all, you need to open your saved project. So this is what you have did until lesson 3. So you have created two sprites, which is the zebra and 𝗲𝗀𝘶. The 𝗲𝗀𝘶 is hungry, and then zebra give a magic apples to the 𝗲𝗀𝘶. So the cartoon here is good. But we can enhance it by adding some sounds, and music. So first let's start with background music. So press the backdrop here. Click on the backdrop, and then you saw here, you can choose a sound from the left bottom here. Click on it, and then choose loop. Loop is the repetitive activities until we give instruction for it to stop. So let's say here I choose dance chill sound. And then go back to code. And then choose events here. Drag when the green flag click. And then go to control the orange color. Drag forever here and put below. And then go to sound. Sound, the purple color. So this is the sound that we have choose just now. Dance chill out. So choose or drag this play sound, dance chill out until done, and put it in the middle. So let's see how it goes. Alright. Next, remember that the 𝗲𝗀𝘶 eats the apple. Let's add some sound effect to the apple. So first select the apple. The apple sprite here. And then go to sound. And again choose sound. For example here I want to choose chom sound. And then go to code. And then we can add the play sound chom until done as many times you want. So go to the purple button here and then drag this one, and you can place it after the glide. For example, I want to put it twice, so I drag twice, and put it here. So let's preview. Click on it. And now, so now you get the sound of 𝗲𝗀𝘶 biting the apple. Since the apple was created by magic, we can also add the magic sound. So how to do it? Still, you still in the sprite, apple sprite here. And then go to the sound tab. And then add sound. For example here, I want the sound of magic spell. Add. And then go to the code tab. So here we can choose play sound magic spell until done. So drag it to the starting position. So you can put as many sounds as you want, but as usual I just put twice. So let's see how it goes. So now you have successfully added the magic spell sound and the chom, sound of 𝗲𝗀𝘶 biting the apple. Now let's animate the zebra as it is walking towards the llama. Okay, so how to do this? Select the zebra sprite, okay, and then add a new green flag block, okay, and then go to control here, okay, the orange color, choose repeat block, okay, repeat, and then let's say here I adjust the repeat to 6, okay, and then drag still in the orange color, drag weight block and put it below repeat. Okay, let's say here wait for 0.6 seconds. Okay, so we set to 6 repeat and 0.5 seconds because our horse glides 3 seconds. Okay, next we need to put the next costume block. Okay, so next costume block is the purple bluish color. Okay, next costume. So next costume block, we place it under weight. Okay, so this next costume block meaning that we want to make, the zebra has the repeating action, okay, such as walking. Okay, and then also we can put sound for the zebra. Okay, for example here we can play sound of horse gallop. Okay, so choose the sound, okay, the purple color. Okay, drag the start sound horse gallop and put it under the next costume. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so now our zebra has animation as well as galloping sounds. Okay, so for the final step is the end credit. Okay, so for this we need to paint or create a new sprite. So go to this choose a sprite button, okay, and choose paint. Okay, so it will direct you to this window. Okay, and then you can choose any color that you like. Okay, for example, I choose purple color, and then you choose to draw rectangle. Okay, so click on rectangle and then start moving your mouse and drawing the rectangle. Okay, and then we can also put text in the rectangle. Okay, the credits, our name. Okay, so click on this T text. Okay, and then change to other contrast color lah. For example, I choose yellow color. Okay. Okay. Yellow color. Okay, and then I write the end. Okay, so we can resize the font here, okay, by clicking this select, okay, and then we can make the font larger. Okay, so I want to write another text, so click on this T, okay, and then click on the rectangle. Again, you can choose any color that you like. Okay, for example, I choose this yellow. Okay, and then from here you can put your name lah. For example, by CodeByte. Okay, so you can press select and still you can adjust the font of the text, okay, that you have typed or the name that you have put. Okay, next we can code, okay, the end screen just now, okay, by go to code here and then go to event, okay, choose when the green flag click, okay, and then go to control, okay, the purple blue color, and then choose hide, okay, and put it in the bottom here. Okay, so this one is for the end screen. Okay, so we add code here for the new sprite to hide it when the green flag is clicked. Okay, next in the script of zebra, okay, we can create a message called N, okay, and put it after the zebra say you are welcome. Okay, so how to do it? Press the event, okay, and then broadcast. Okay, here you can create new message, for example N, okay, and then drag this to after the you are welcome. Okay, so this marks the end of the cartoon. Okay, so now back to the end credit sprite. Okay, this one, the purple one, and then add the event blocks, okay, to show it when the message end is received. Okay, so here when I receive, choose the message end, okay, and then drag here, okay, and then choose show button, okay, from the purple color here. Okay, show and put it below here. Okay, okay, so now that we have created edit and adding music to our cartoon, okay, let's look at the our final cartoon. Okay, okay, so that's the end of workshops of CodeBytes, okay, for CodeMaven 2.0. So the rest you can explore and try by yourself, and we hope that you benefits and enjoy this lesson. Bye!